Getting a foreign number to register WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, and many other social media platforms has just been made easy globally. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to get any country phone number to register in any social media platform. Note that this video is for educational purpose only, and all content in this video does not promote illegal activities. This video is based on requests from some of my subscribers. Without further ado, let's get started. So first off, you have to register to their website. Just go to Chrome browser and then search for smspva.com. okay, once this is opened, you just click on sign up. You can either do this from your mobile phone or from a laptop. Okay, all you need to do is just to provide your information. Once you click on the sign up, okay, just add your username, your email address, and your password. Once that is done, click on sign up. Okay, and once you click on sign up, an email will be sent to you to verify, and after verification you have to top up. But because I already have an account, I'm just gonna go back to my account and show you how to use it and how to top up. Okay, now this is my existing account. Okay, so if you already have an existing account, it's just for you to click on the sign in. Okay, you don't need to start signing up again. All you need is just to click on sign in. So you use your email and password to sign in. Okay, so now to top up your account, all you need to do is to click on the $sign here. You can see I have $1 plus there. So once you click on the top up account, you can scroll down a little bit depending on your location. So if you are in Nigeria, you can select this here. So you select this Visa card, you can click on the pay. So once you click pay, you'll be asked to provide your information for your card, your address, your state, and so on. Once that is done, you just click on pay. The request for your card details, you just put your card details. You can change this to 5 if you want to pay $5. That's the minimum you can pay, so you can just change the $10 to $5. okay, so once you have done all this, they'll ask you for your card. You put your card details and they will show you the amount in naira. Then you proceed by paying. Then after paying, it will automatically appear at the top here that you have $5 or $6 or $10 depending on what you paid. Okay, let's go back. Now if you want to buy phone number from any country, so what you do is, first of all, you select what you are buying the phone number for. If you want to use it to register your WhatsApp, you just click WhatsApp. I'm also going to show you how you can use it from your mobile phone. So you scroll down a little bit. I just selected WhatsApp. So the country I want to buy from, I'm going to select it from here. Okay, you can see for US they have 210 pieces of phone numbers available, but because the money I have in my wallet is not up to, that's why you are seeing add funds. Canada, 4 pieces remaining, $15, add funds. Okay, so since I don't have up to all this, I can only buy UK number because I have $1.7 there. Okay, but I don't want to buy UK. I'm just gonna buy Colombia for WhatsApp. Okay, so what we'll do now, I'll have to connect my phone and show you exactly how it also works from your mobile phone. Okay, now let me connect my phone. So once I connect my phone to my PC, I will go to Chrome browser and then search for smspva.com. Once it's open, I'm already in my account because I've logged in before. So what I'll need to do here is to select the country I want to buy number from. Okay, you can actually select any country from here. You can see US, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, and all that stuff. So whatever country you want to buy from, that is what you should select from here. Let's say I want to buy from US. Okay, when you scroll down a little bit, you select the service you want to use. Let's say WhatsApp. I want to use it for WhatsApp. I will just type WhatsApp. You can see we only have 2 pieces of numbers in US, so and it's 3.5. that's approximately $4. So I don't have that kind of font, so I'm just gonna leave that and I'll search for a different country. So I'm going to type in Colombia here, Colombia. I'll select Colombia and then search for the service, which is WhatsApp. So I'll search for WhatsApp. Then you can see we have 92 numbers in Colombia. Click on select and then choose any number from here. I'm going to use the first option, which is any. I'll just select, click on the buy. So once I click on buy, a number will automatically pop up and I'll have to select that and copy. So I just selected the number, then I'll go to my WhatsApp. Okay, this is the WhatsApp I want to register. Then I'll agree and continue. Then you can see Colombia. If Colombia is not already selected, so you just go to this area where you can search for Colombia and then select Colombia. Okay, so you can see the number has changed, which is +57. Now you paste the phone number that you just bought, then you click on next. Okay, that is, then you click next to receive your OTP. Just click yes. So you select verify another way. All right, you click verify another way and then select receive SMS. Okay, so once you select that, you have to click on continue and then you wait for the OTP to pop up. But while waiting, you have to go back to your Chrome browser and then wait here to see when it pops up. Okay, sometimes it takes like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depends on your network. Okay, so as you can see, we just received an OTP, so we have to copy the OTP from here and paste it in the WhatsApp we just register. We'll go back to our WhatsApp and then paste the OTP here. This is the OTP. We're just going to paste it and then wait. You can see this has been verified. So here you have to click on continue, allow. You can change the name from here or you can leave it at that, depending on the kind of name, the name you are using or the name you want to use. Okay, so I'll just click next. So as you can see, the registration process has been successful. So you can now start sending message to your friends. You can invite people, and to confirm your number, you can go to your settings. You can go to your settings and then check the number that you just registered. As you can see, this is the number we just registered. Okay, and that is exactly how you can get any international number from any country to register on any social media platforms. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share with friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.